In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and size your Shopify homepage banner. If you've ever wondered how to make your Shopify store visually appealing right from the start, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process of customizing your banner so it aligns perfectly with your brand aesthetic. First, you'll want to head over to the site editor of your Shopify account. This is the hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and personalize your store layout to better reflect the unique identity of your business. Once you're in the site editor, look for the image banner on your homepage. This is usually one of the first things your visitors will see, so it's important to make a great first impression. Click on the image banner to select it. When you do this, you'll notice that the right panel of your screen lights up with various properties related to the banner. This panel is your control center for making specific changes to the banner settings, including its size. You'll want to keep an eye out for the drop-down menu that pertains to height options. This feature allows you to adjust the dimensions of your banner, which can be incredibly useful in making sure your visuals are not only eye-catching, but also appropriately sized for desktop and mobile viewing. Next, go ahead and select the drop-down options for the height. Here, you'll have the flexibility to choose from varying sizes, depending on the look and feel you're aiming for. Adjust the height according to the aesthetic and layout you envision. A larger banner may be great for showcasing a striking image or promotion, while a smaller one might keep the focus more on the products or other content below. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the size of your Shopify homepage banner. Remember, the key to a great online store is ensuring everything is cohesive and visually engaging. A well-sized banner can truly set the tone of your entire store. So take a moment to preview it. Maybe even check it out on different devices to ensure it looks sharp across the board. Being able to adjust the banner size gives you control and options, allowing you to experiment until you find what best represents your brand. With just these few steps, you've made a small change that can have a big impact on how visitors perceive your online store. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.